Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dwi Retmawati and I am from Universitas PGRI Ronggolawe, Tuban. Today, I want to talk about my article. This title is Improve Speaking Skill Through Storytelling Method in 6th Grade Elementary School Student. Introduction. In language skill, there are four aspects that students must master, namely reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Speaking skills are indispensable in the learning process as a means of expressing opinion, idea, providing information, or receiving information in elementary school in Indonesian lesson, especially speaking skill. And then the reason is that students are reluctant to speak because they are afraid of making mistakes and the vocabulary owned by students is still minimal and the student speaking skills are not developed and students are also less active. Don't dare to speak in front of the class or ask questions and conclude opinion in learning. And then research purpose. To determine the increase in speaking skill, draw the storytelling method 6th grade student of SDN Kutorjo 1. Research method using classroom action research. Each cycle consists of 4 steps, namely number 1, planning, number 2, action, number 3, observation, and the last reflection. Observation activities are carried out simultaneously with the implementation of action aimed at observation, recording, and documenting the learning process. The action reflection step is an effort to directly example the action that have been taken based on the data has been collected, the conduct an evaluation to improve the next action. The result of this reflection become a reference for the next step of the cycle. And then classroom action research in 2 cycles. The research subject was 6th grade students of SDN Kutorjo 1 Tuban, totaling 38 students. Collecting data using observation, field notes, and documentation. Data analysis using quantitative descriptive analysis technique. And then result and discussion. Cycle 1. This shows that in the very good category there are 9 students, 23.68%, and the good category is 9 students, 23.68%, while the sufficient category is 16 students, 42.1%, and the poor category is 4 students, 10.52%. Student speaking ability is very low because students are shy, lack self-confidence, have difficulty remembering words, lack of vocabulary. Cycle 2. So that the category of student is very good, 15 students, 39.47%, good category, 18 students, 44.36%, and sufficient category, 5 students, 13.15%. The result of observation of student activity show an average percentage of 18.83%. By using the storytelling methods, students become more activity and communicating, and students don't get bored easily with the learning. And then conclusion, the ability to speak with the storytelling method can train students to be more confident in communicating, expressing their ideas, thought, doubt, and literacy. And then from the results of the learning activity that have been carried out based on all the discussion and analysis that have been carried out, it can be concluded that learning with the storytelling method has a positive impact in improving student speaking skill, which is marked by an increase in percentage. Okay, thank you for your attention. If any mistake, forgive me please. The last time, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.